So this is me trying to get my loser flip back. Let's see how I did. So let's get this loser flip back, and after a long day of flipping, I like to give myself a countdown, so I said 4 more, plus I had to find a tunage. Now, as I begin to go for all of my flips, I like to fill every element of my body. If there's an element missing, then like I haven't mastered it. So I've realized, one, I have to get my kicking leg to its highest point. I also realized that I was being limited on how high I can kick my leg. So I was trying to figure out what that issue was. Now, I also realized that I have to create this upper curve in my body. So if I create this upper curve in my body, as well as kick my legs to its highest point, then I should relatively land it. I also started noticing that I took too far of a step back. So if I stepped a little bit closer to myself, bam, I landed on my feet, but then I stumbled because I wasn't prepared for that. So now that I was prepared for that, I had to do it again. I did the thing. What? And like, that was just dope because now I have to master it. So I got to do it without mats. And in case you're wondering, this video is